Welcome to our roundup of the best shop vacuums of 2026. Hard-working, high-capacity vacuums built to tackle sawdust, debris, liquid spills, and workshop messes with ease. Whether you're cleaning up after woodworking, home renovations, garage projects, or heavy-duty messes around the house, a solid shop vacuum makes cleanup faster and more efficient than a household vacuum ever could. Today's top models combine strong suction, roomy tanks, rugged construction, and useful attachments that make them versatile for a wide range of cleaning jobs. We've selected models that stand out for performance, durability, ease of use, and overall value. Let's take a closer look at what makes each one worth considering. Starting with the Craftsman 2.5-gallon shop vacuum, this compact model is a practical choice for DIYers and anyone who needs a portable unit for smaller cleanup jobs. Its 2.5-gallon tank is large enough for light workshop debris like sawdust, wood chips, and small drywall particles, yet small enough to carry comfortably between spaces. The strong suction paired with utility nozzles and crevice tools makes it easier to reach corners, benches, and tight spots. Users appreciate how quickly it's ready to go and how all the standard attachments snap on without fuss. Its balanced design and easy empty tank help cut down cleanup time, and the filter system captures fine dust while keeping maintenance straightforward. Next up is the ShopVac 2.5-gallon shop vacuum, another compact yet capable option that delivers dependable performance. This model typically comes with a well-rounded assortment of attachments, including extension wands, brush tools, and utility crevice tips, so you're ready to tackle dry debris and small liquid spills right out of the box. Its powerful suction helps remove sawdust, gravel, and small chunks of material from floors, workbenches, and carpeted areas alike. The removable tank makes emptying simple, and the oversized carry handle improves portability when moving between rooms or job sites. Users often highlight its reliable motor and solid build for a budget-friendly shop vacuum that doesn't skimp on performance. Many people also note how quiet it runs compared with other entry-level vacs, which makes it easier to use without raising noise concerns. Moving on to the rigid 4-gallon shop vacuum, this mid-sized model steps up capacity and power for heavier cleanup jobs. With a larger tank and a more robust motor than smaller units, it's built to handle more frequent use and bulkier messes without constant emptying. The sturdy construction and well-designed hose system help maintain strong suction over time, and the onboard accessory storage keeps your tools organized and ready. Whether you're cleaning up after drywall work, wood shop projects, or job site debris, this vacuum delivers consistent performance that feels more workshop ready. Many users also appreciate its quieter operation at higher power, which helps reduce noise without sacrificing suction. Additional features like top-mounted carry handles and drainage options further enhance its practicality for big messes. Taking the number 2 spot is the VacMaster Professional 5-gallon vacuum, a versatile and powerful choice for larger jobs or more demanding messes. Its 5-gallon tank provides plenty of capacity for bigger debris piles, liquid cleanup, and multi-area jobs without frequent emptying. The strong motor and efficient airflow design deliver robust suction that handles fine dust, wood chips, liquid spills, and sawdust alike. A complete set of attachments, including utility nozzles, crevice tools, and extension wands, makes it easier to switch between floor, bench, and upholstery cleaning. Users also appreciate the durable tank and secure latches that hold up well in garage or workshop environments. For those who want a dependable, long-lasting vacuum that bridges home and professional tasks, this model delivers excellent all-around performance. Claiming the top spot for overall capacity, power, and performance is the Stanley 6-gallon shop vacuum. This larger unit is built with bigger jobs in mind, offering a 6-gallon tank and enhanced suction that handles heavy debris, liquid messes, and frequent use without struggling. Its roomy tank means fewer stops to empty, and the strong motor maintains steady suction even as the tank fills. Large wheels and a sturdy base improve mobility around job sites, garages, or basements, and the ergonomic handle makes it easier to steer and transport. Many users also praise the accessory set and tool storage that comes standard, helping you switch between tasks quickly. Whether you're pulling up sawdust, gravel, tile fragments, or wet messes, this Stanley vacuum offers the capacity and muscle that serious cleanup jobs demand. It also performs well on outdoor projects, making it versatile enough for yard cleanup and patio tasks. All of these shop vacuums serve different cleanup needs. The Craftsman 2.5-gallon shop vacuum and ShopVac 2.5-gallon shop vacuum are excellent for compact spaces and small messes. The rigid 4-gallon shop vacuum brings more tank capacity and power for regular cleanup. The VacMaster Professional 5-gallon vacuum delivers a strong balance of suction and size for bigger jobs. And the Stanley 6-gallon shop vacuum stands out with maximum capacity and performance for serious shop or garage work. That wraps up our list of the best shop vacuums of 2026, from lighter, portable units to heavy-duty workhorses built for tough cleanup. If you're upgrading your tools, tackling renovation debris, or just want a dependable vacuum that keeps your space clean, faster, and efficient, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which shop vacuum you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool and appliance reviews. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your workspace cleaner, faster, and more efficient with the right shop vacuum in your toolkit.